What's up, Mosh Mob? We're back with another adventure, but we're at the Casa making chili cheese fries.
This lighting sucks.
I am so excited. The lighting sucks, but the food's better.
Yeah, all right. Hi, everybody. I'm Mosh Kyd, and that's Justin, and that's D over there. You guys know us pretty well. Nina's on the floor too. Check it out. Say hi, Nina. Yeah, Nina. Anyway, so it's what is today? Wednesday? It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday right now, and we Justin came over. Obviously, he's here, and I was like, "What do you want to do for our episode?" It's been a minute since we posted an episode, so I wanted to do a cooking video since you guys seem to enjoy the cooking videos. And he suggested chili cheese fries, and D supplied. You know, I ran to the store and got the potatoes and chili cheese. It's all over here. Look, I'll just stop explaining. There's some Johnsonville brats too. I don't know if we're gonna get to those, but there's some cut up fresh potatoes. D did that. D facilitated the cut up fresh potatoes, and he's got some frying right now right there. Pretty awesome. I'll get the weed tray out of the way because I was just complaining about the weed tray being in the way. I'm sitting here with the weed tray in the way. It's bad news. Anyway, so Justin's over here rolling a joint.
For D, everybody.
For D. Yeah, Red Bull, yeah. I got D some wings. He's gonna drink some of that. And so we're having a good time. We're having a great time. I miss you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys all voted. And
yeah, buddy.
Yeah, we're just sitting here. It's what, November 4th? Today's the 4th. And yeah, we survived the election day, I guess. But yeah, we just do our thing anyway. I go to work. Justin goes to work. Justin had to leave work early today because of a power outage. It was crazy. He said, "Tell him."
Yeah, dude. So I was at work and I was working on this machine, and it's ironic because I pressed the button and then the lights turned off. So I thought I did it for a second. I'm like, dude, I hope I didn't just shut everything off. It wasn't me, everybody. But yeah, so I had to go home, work early, and now we're gonna be back at it tomorrow, double times, and I'm gonna hate it.
Yeah. Oh, look at Dee's smile. He's like, I remember those days.
Yes, sir.
I remember those days. Oh, 40 years ago.
Damn, D, hella old, bro.
Baby, I put in my time.
Yeah, I know. You're fucking awesome.
I know it.
Yeah, D is the greatest. Anyway, so yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I got the Seek Discover hat. It's pretty cool. I've been wearing it every day because I'm awesome.
Because you're awesome.
Yeah, so that's all we're really doing right now. Kind of being sporadic. We're kind of being goofy and stuff.
Having a good time, man. Yeah. Positive vibes, baby. It's about to be the end of 2020. Let's kill it.
End of 2020. We got the fries going. As soon as the fries are done, we'll put some chili on them. And we got cheese, and that's pretty much chili cheese fries. Cheers, everybody. Remember to roll a joint and smoke it with us.
Woo,
let's do it.
We love you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah.
Go D.
Go D. Go. Go D. Go D. Go. Go. Well, we're white. What do you want? I want.
Yeah, my bad. Yeah, white people can't rap.
Chicka what?
I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, but I know I got it.
What did you just hear what he said? He don't know what he's saying, but he got it though.
Yeah, I got it.
He got it, bro.
In the back. In the backpack. Back slap. Back trap. Trap back.
Trap.
Rap fast.
Basket rap.
Crack. Attack.
Getting ready for this chili cheese madness.
Chili cheese fries.
Oh yeah, it's the chili cheese fry madness, macho nacho man. Oh yeah. Get over here. Okay, Scorpion, I love you.
Don't worry about what I'm over here doing.
Hey, why you gotta put me on blast like that? Why you gonna put you? I'm over here texting. You're just gonna put the camera right on me.
All right, little pimp.
Lil Pimp. Shout out to Lil Pump. Okay.
Okay. Go.
Oh.
Get away. Get back, please. Just go away.
Okay.
I've never been on my own that way. Just sat by myself all day. I really need no help from my friends. I found the light in the tunnel at the end. I love this song. Now, I put the chili in the pan. And you said to put some butter in there with it. And some of this hot sauce. Hot sauce chili habanero. El Yucateco. I can't speak Spanish. That's what it says.
Hot sauce chili habanero. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go with what you said.
Yucateco.
Yucateco. Yeah, I like that.
Yucateco? I don't know, one of those.
Hey, the Dodgers and the Lakers one, I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
So, Mosh Mob, make sure you stop right now. Hit that like button. Go ahead and share it to some of your social media platforms. And let's get this moving rocking. I think we're at, what, 280 something?
285.
285 subscribers. We're on the road to 300. Only 15 more. Once we get it, I'll give y'all 25 push-ups.
Yeah, 25 push-ups.
Yeah! Who wants to see Justin do 25 push-ups? I do. So, yeah, I'm going to have a fry on that. And make sure you hit like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And let's get to 300, baby.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, you're so kind, dude.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Chili! Yeah, there's a shit ton, so
That's what she said.
I'm gonna poop myself tonight.
Hell yeah!
Poop myself tonight.
Poop myself tonight.
Freak. Melt these nuts.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. I got that flame. What?
Jeez. What am I knocking over? Almost anything.
No, I could just. No, this is bad boy staying right here.
Yeah. So he's gonna enjoy his fries. I'm gonna make some, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, you let you film? Are you filming?
Yep.
It's on. Check
It's
it out,
on.
guys. Look, so this is my plate. It looks delicious. Yeah. Some dank ass. What is it? Chili cheese fries. I'm ready for the cheese to melt a little bit. It's awesome. I love you guys. It's awesome. Super thankful for it all. Thanks, Steve.
Hell yeah, D, you did it all, buddy. We love you.
Now I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this.
Peace, love, and happiness, Mosh Mob.
If you
I hope
can dodge a
you enjoyed
wrench,
it.
if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. That is a great quote.
Yeah.
I hope you guys had a great time watching this video. We had a great time making it. Make sure you like it. And we will see you next time, buddy.
Peace and love.